Good morning. Yep, these are totally hard to graph. I do have a little trick to this that I think will hopefully help you out. If you're looking at this and trying to just draw it in place, yeah, that is super hard. I have to really think to make that work, and I've done this a million times. So let me give you another way to come at this. So what we're going to do is we're just going to graph our parent function first. So here we would just have y equals 2 to the x. So when x is 0, y would be 1, and when x is 1, y would be 2. So there's just our parent function hasn't been shifted at all. And then I don't know that you can move these dots. They're editable. So this plus 1 means we're going to go left 1. So now I'm just going to take this thing and move both those dots left 1. So now I've done the 2x plus 1. I just have to do the negative in front. So we know that negative in front is going to reflect it about the x-axis. It's hard to do all in one step. So right now this one is 2 above the axis. So that means it would end up 2 below the axis. And this one is 1 above, so it's going to end up 1 below. And so there we are with doing a couple of steps, just doing the transformations individually. I think that will hopefully be easier for you. I noticed this one down here has a little bit different entry form, so let me do one more just to kind of show how that would work. So again, this one is y equals 2 to the x, so let's get our, oh yeah, so this one has, oops, clear that. This one you have to do the asymptote first. So I'm going to do my asymptote right there and then just y equals 2 to the x. So that'd be here and here. So it's the same as I did before. It's the parent function. It's just now I have to do the asymptote as well. So now this means it's going to shift down 3 and then plus 5 would go left 5. So let's go ahead and move these ones left 5. So this would be at negative 5. And this would be at negative 4. And then, so now this piece is done right there, and we're going to go down 3, so I'll just take the asymptote, scoot it down 3, and then take each of these points and move them 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 is going to put me right there. And then there's my transform function. So hopefully that is easier than what you're doing. If not, give me a holler, and we can look at it some more.